Hi everyone, as I promised you before, I'm going to record a lesson for you, and this lesson is aiming to show you how to um, write a short essay on a topic. So your topic is write a short, and it is like around 60 words essay about Israel as your native country, which means that you is going to introduce yourself and to give general facts about Israel. You have received two texts before which can be used for your essay. So how I would start my writing is hello, oh hi, okay, my name is, and I am from Israel, or I live in Israel. Then I would give the general fact what Israel is, because probably you didn't know, but not many people know where it is situated and what kind of country it is. So I would say, sorry, don't forget about your capital letters. So Israel is a small, we could add that it is Jewish country because it is Jewish and it's mandatory. Most of people who live here are Jewish. Okay, so we can say that it's a small Jewish country or state. Situated, and where it is situated. Probably you can't right now to write yourself where it is situated, so you can get help from, it's fine, from your text. Okay, so it is situated in the coast of the Mediterranean Sea, or as we were talking before, it is situated in the on the easternmost part of the Mediterranean Sea. That's it. And here you can write how many people live in the in Israel, or what kind of country it is. Okay, it is a beautiful country with breathtaking is very beautiful, is like extremely beautiful. Okay, landscapes and kind people. We are kind, right? Most of us are kind. I don't know how you believe about yourself. I believe I'm a kind person. So like most of us are kind. The capital of Israel is Jerusalem. And here you can copy the information from one of your texts. For example, we have here Jerusalem is the capital city. We can say that it is a great example of cultures, of mix of cultures, and is religious sides, Christianity, Islam, and the Judaism. Okay, and we can just put it here. Okay, look, it is it's a great example of the mix of cultures. And now we can like count how many words do we have here. Let me remember how we do this. So we just press on tools and press on word count. How many words do we have here? Oh no, it's like 69 words. That's a lot. Probably I am going to raise like to 80 words, because like you're gonna be more specific and give more details. And how you are going to finish your essay, like it's not an essay, it's a short writing. So Israel is my native country, or I love Israel with all my heart. So basically what you have to do is to write a few facts about Israel and close your writing with a few words. What is your attitude to Israel? I wish you good luck.